Join us April 11th at the Cedar Valley Manufacturers Conference. The theme this year, Planning for the Next Generation Build in Manufacturing. Get an update on the Cedar Valley. Learn how a self-directed cross-training program drives success. Create a successful internship program with high school students focusing on can-dos versus can-nots. It's a new day in recruiting and retaining employees. This panel of innovative thinkers will share best practices on getting candidates through your doors and keeping them. Dr. Bill Withers will share insight he's learned by working with 4- and 5-star companies as they've dealt with change. An apprenticeship panel will shed light on how to set up a registered apprenticeship, what resources are out there to help our employers. Cirrus will present a high-level overview of the opportunities and challenges of automation in manufacturing. Breakout sessions give everyone at your plant the choice of going down a different path. Ambassador training with Elevate Iowa will train participants on how to promote manufacturing as a career. The Pearman Group will give guidance on how to set up your internal trainers for success. Learn how to avoid having work processes get lost in the big picture by ensuring they are understandable for different learning styles. An IOSHA consultant will give insight into top safety concerns in manufacturing and trends. This event is being brought to you by the Advanced Manufacturing Partnership Sector Board. Proceeds from the event will go toward future efforts to heighten interest in manufacturing careers. See you there!